Okay, well, battery pack's in. I got it charging. I'll get her turned on. I don't know if the red light's good or not. Who knows? But oh, conked out. Make sure we're all plugged in. Well, this one's a little sticky. This one done nothing. And low battery warning, even though it's got like 8 volts in it. Could be the fact that I replaced a 330 ohm resistor with a 300 ohm resistor in the BMS, and it might have upped the voltage cutout. But that's life. But yeah, I guess take these apart. I got this one partially going. Geared motors. Boy, there's some coggy motors. They're brushed.